Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded some content on my channel, so here we go. I'm starting a new DIY series, and today I'm going to show you some DIY chow mein, which is a healthy Chinese noodle recipe. Let's get started and let me show you how to prepare the chow mein as that's the main ingredient. So I just took a packet of Sunluck chow mein and put it in some boiling water. I added some salt to this and I cooked it for like 5 to 10 minutes. It should be done and ready by then. After the chow mein is cooked, I would highly recommend to run the chow mein under some cold water for 10 to 15 seconds so that we can separate the chow mein and it's not stuck with each other. And for the rest of the ingredients, we need ginger paste, black pepper, vinegar, some salt, some soy sauce, and a set of veggies that you like. I took some green pepper, cabbage, carrot, and some spring onions. I'm also using 2 tablespoons of oil, which is a mix of sunflower oil and olive oil. Now let's start preparing the sauce for the chow mein. I'm going to pour in one fourth of a cup of some soy sauce and 3 tablespoons of black pepper. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of pepper because I'm not going to add any other spices to this chow mein other than this pepper. So if you want to reduce the spice or increase the spice, you can add some chili powder or add green chilies as well. After you add the ingredients, make sure you mix it thoroughly and then pour it into a measuring cup because I might need half a cup of the sauce onto my chow mein. So I'm going to dilute this with some organic chicken bone broth. You can either use the chicken broth or the veggie broth because that adds much more flavor than diluting it with some hot water. Now that all the ingredients are ready, let's get started with the cooking process. So heat up the saute pan, pour the 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice. I just added sunflower oil and olive oil. Wait until the oil gets heated up. So add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste to it. You can either add fresh ginger or even garlic. I do not like the taste of garlic, so I kind of avoided that. But after the ginger turns brown, add some spring onions that we cut. You could also add red onions or yellow onions. I just love spring onions, and saute it for like 1 to 2 minutes. After that, you can start adding the veggies. So I'm adding cabbage, some carrots, and I'm not going to add the green pepper right now because it does not take much time to cook green pepper. So I'm going to keep that aside for the until the end. So I'm going to cook this for about 3 to 4 minutes. If you want, you can just close it and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now that you can see the veggies are well sauteed, I'm going to add the cooked chow mein that we kept aside in the beginning. So add a little bit portion of the chow mein that we cooked and add it to the mixture, and let's add the green peppers that we kept aside which are not cooked yet. So it needs 1 to 2 minutes to get cooked, so let's add that as well. Now that we have added all the veggies and ingredients, the only one which is missing is the soy sauce with the pepper and the chicken broth, which is the most important ingredient in chow mein, which gives all the flavor and the spice to this dish. After you add the contents, if you want to add more chow mein, you can do that and mix it really well and keep adding chow mein as much as required. And to add a final kick to this, I am adding a few drops of vinegar. I am adding some chili vinegar because it has a slight spice to it which I really like. So you can either add the vinegar or choose not to add it. I just like it to be a little sour, or you can even add lime or lemon. Dish is finally ready, guys. As you can see, it's super colorful and it is delicious and super healthy. We are not using any additional sauces or sugar like ketchup or anything like that, and this is super healthy and super tasty, and this is one of my favorite recipes that I have been trying out in the last 2 months. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I look forward to coming up with more interesting content for you guys. And thanks for your time and thanks for watching the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.